Hey, Royce. Hello. Hello, camera. See all that hair on your face? You're like a little mini Wolverine. You have to wake up. Wake up. You can't sleep during the day. Mommy and Daddy need to sleep during the night. Okay. Ooh, who's got some new shoes on? Hotness. Royce. 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 Come on. Oh, doing your hand thing. Royce. Wakey, wakey. Wake up. Hey, man. Look at you doing sit-ups. Who do you look like? You don't look like Mommy. I don't really think you look like Daddy either. It's like, where'd you get your nose? And, where'd you get that chin right there? Huh? You can't sleep anymore. Wake up. Wake up. Alright. Ooh.